Hello students, today we are going to discuss the topic poetic devices. Poetic devices, figure of speech, literary devices, all are the same thing and usually can be asked in your exam that which figure of speech is used in this extract. Poetic devices is a tool used by the poet to lend musical effect, to emphasize a point or to draw readers' attention. Here are many poetic devices. So there is first one, alliteration. Alliteration is a poetic device in which two or more words in a line have the same consonant sound. Whenever in one line there is used of same consonant sound like grassy and wanted wear, in this line W of wanted and W of wear have the same consonant sound, the sound is repeated. Then here we have the second example of alliteration, fingers fluttering through her wool. F of fingers, F of fluttering, both have same sound. So same sound is repeated here. Third one is and no one buys a ball back. B of buys, B of ball and B of back. Again we have same consonant sound. Then we have repetition. Here is a difference between alliteration and repetition. In repetition, it is a poetic device in which a word or phrase or a line is repeated. In alliteration, consonant sound is repeated, but in repetition, the words are repeated. Here we have example. First, smile and smile and smile. Look, smile is used here thrice. Away, away in the Northland. Again, away word is repeated here. And rolled it flat. Again, rolled word is repeated here. Far, far from gusty waves. It's a poem of 12th standard. Then far, far, the words are repeated by the poet. So it is a repetition. Then simile. Simile is just a comparison, but it is a direct comparison by writing like or as. Simile is a poetic device in which a comparison between two uncommon things is made using the words like or as. Look, here we have example. He fought like a lion. Now the person fought like a lion. Again, here is comparison between a human being or a lion. As black as coal. Again comparison by writing as. Like rootless weed. Like is again comparison. So simile is direct comparison by using the word like or as. Next we have metaphor. Metaphor is again comparison, but it is indirect comparison. It is comparison, but like or as is not used in metaphor. Metaphor is a poetic device in which two unlike objects are compared, but the words of comparison as or like are not used. Example, pepper simming boy. The boy is like a pepper, like a thin pepper. So here is comparison, but here it is not used like or as. So here is difference between simile and metaphor. In simile the word will be used like or as, but in metaphor indirect comparison will be here. Second example with rats. Again it is a comparison with eye of rat. Refrain. Refrain is a figure of speech in which a phrase or a line is repeated regularly in a poem. Example, said the duck to the kangaroo. This line is repeated in the poem again and again. Then no men are foreign. No men are foreign is a poem of 9th standard. This line is again and again used in the poem No men are foreign by the poet. Then symbolism. When there is symbols expression. Symbolism is a literary device in which a poet uses one thing, usually a physical object or phenomena, as a symbol to represent something more abstract. In the poem The Road Not Taken of 9th standard, the two roads described by the poets are symbol of choices that one has to face in life. So here are many figure of speeches. In next part we will do the rest of the figure of speech. Thank you. Have a nice day.